A husband has been arrested for the murder of his wife, and this was just days after he announced that he missed her. I covered this story several months back regarding a missing woman pictured here on the right, Nikki McCain. So a California husband has been charged for the murder of his wife, Nikki, who is still missing. This was just days after he announced and opened up to the public saying he missed her. So on Wednesday of this past week, police reportedly charged Tyler McCain, pictured here on the left, with the murder of Nikki, who was a mother of 4 children. The Shasta County District Attorney's Office has since said that Tyler's motive was to keep Nikki from testifying against him for domestic abuse. As I said previously, her body and remains have not been located. She reportedly disappeared on May 17th of 2024. The Redding Police Department said she had last talked to family that same day before someone picked her up from a home in Redding that was near the Wind River Casino. Her truck was also reported missing, but police later found the 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche on May 25th, so a little over a week after she disappeared. The truck was reportedly found in western Tehama County. Shasta County authorities later reclassified her disappearance as a homicide. Then, on March 25th of this year, authorities announced that they had identified a person of interest in connection to Nikki's death. According to reports, Tyler here, her husband, had been arrested on December 2nd of 2023, and that was for false imprisonment, corporal injury to a spouse, assault with force, and criminal threats. Then on May 7th of 2024, he reportedly pled not guilty to those charges, and it would be a little over a week later after he pled not guilty that Nikki would vanish before she would have to testify against her husband in court. Now, reportedly, those domestic violence charges ended up getting dropped, and that was due to Nikki not showing up to testify against him, and, well, that's exactly what he was hoping for. Now, according to reports, there was an overwhelming smell of decomposition that was found by police in Nikki's truck. There was also said to be a blood-soaked sheet that they found. Then an unnamed source allegedly said that they were told by Nikki's husband, Tyler, that he killed his wife on May 18th of 2024 and that it was during an incident of domestic violence. Nikki's sister has since said to think that Nikki's life meant so little to Tyler that he felt entitled to kill her in order to avoid a little bit of jail time is disgusting, and I totally agree. Her sister went on to say that Nikki was a mother of children and that she had a family that loved her. She further said that clearly Nikki's family never really knew Tyler at all and that he was not the person they thought he was. Tyler is now reportedly being held, luckily with no bail, at the Shasta County Jail. Since Nikki's body has yet to be found, it was said the investigation is still very open and ongoing, and there is a reward for up to $30,000 for any information, and that the award still stands. If anyone has any information on where Nikki could be located, they are asked to call the Major Crimes Unit at 530-245-6135. Well, this sucks, and I hate that she hasn't been found yet, but I think anyone who had heard this story immediately thought that the husband, Tyler, had done something to her and that he was likely guilty. So I am pleased to hear that some sort of justice is finally being served in her case, but I just hope she's found soon so her family can have the closure that they so deserve. For more true crime, be sure to follow and subscribe if you're ever on YouTube.